This Taylor man, he is accused of leaving the scene after hitting two teenagers with his pickup truck. He pleaded not guilty today. The crash, though, it killed 17-year-old Austin McCumber and left another teenager, his friend, in the hospital. Local 4's Lauren Podell joins us now live. And Lauren, this is such a tragic story. Did he have anything to say in court today?
Well, 35-year-old Justin Saum had nothing to say, Rhonda, besides his name during his video arraignment. Now, let's be very clear. This man from Taylor did turn himself into police earlier this week after Taylor police released surveillance video of the white pickup truck they believed he was behind the wheel of when he struck two teens over the weekend. And today, families of both of those teenagers you mentioned gathered in court to see the man police believe injured one of those teens and took the life of another.
Good morning, sir. Would you state your name, please?
Justin Robert Saum.
Today, we got our first look at 35-year-old Justin Saum of Taylor, the man now charged in the hit-and-run accident over the weekend that claimed the life of 17-year-old Austin McCumber and injured his friend, 17-year-old Marty Jamie, who was in court today. Saum faces 22 years in prison if convicted on 4 charges: driving with a suspended license causing death and injury, leaving the scene of an accident causing death and injury. Taylor police released this surveillance video of Saum's white pickup that allegedly hit the two teens on a moped Saturday night. For 2 days, Austin fought for his life, but ultimately died of his injuries. The family for both Austin and Marty flooded the courtroom wearing sweatshirts in Austin's honor. And today, one father just grateful his son was able to walk away.
I hope the police do a thorough investigation because I don't know everything. I do know what my son told me, and I just hope the police do the right thing, do a thorough investigation. I have faith in the law.
Now, while emotions were still high today in court, let's focus a little bit more on this suspect. Saum, according to his attorney, is a family man who has 3 children, a steady job at a construction job, and he also said in court that Saum is not a flight risk, but the judge was not having it, Rhonda. The judge made it very clear that Saum has a criminal history. He does not trust what he would do on the street and set bond at $350,000 cash. So right now, from what we know, Saum is still behind bars. His next court appearance will be later this month. Reporting live from Taylor, Lauren Podell. Rhonda, back to you.
And Lauren, before we let you go, meanwhile, there is a family in mourning right now of the loss of their teenage son. Have we heard any of the funeral arrangements for Austin?
We did speak with several of Austin's siblings who were in court today. They said his funeral is planned for this weekend, this Saturday evening at 6:30 in Romulus. We do have that information up on our website. But one thing the family really wanted me to stress, Rhonda, was that they are looking for help for these medical expenses and funeral costs. They just bought Austin a brand new car. He was never able to drive it. They have set up a GoFundMe page. We've posted that link on our website, clickondetroit.com. And believe it or not, so many generous viewers out there, Rhonda, there's already been over $7,000 raised for Austin's family. Back to you.
It's just so heartbreaking, but it's great, I'm sure, for the family to know that there's a lot of people out there they probably don't even know that want to lend them some support. Lauren, thank you.